Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make some nice designs like patterns, and we're going to be using the pen category, like the pen category where you can get from the add thing, like the add. Okay, let me show you. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So you have to click on this add extension thing. It's like a little button or something, and then you see all these extensions, and then you click pen. With the pen, you can draw anything, you can make anything with that pen. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and click the create button as usual. And then we're going to be getting a sprite called diamond. And you're going to type diamond over there. Oh, where is it? Diamond. Where's diamond? Okay, I'm going to like search it. It's all the way there. Oh, crystal, yeah. Crystal, it kind of looks like a diamond, but it's called crystal. So when green flag clicked, it's going to go to the kind of middle. So we're going to go to X0 and Y0. And let's get that pen thing. So go to this, you see this button over here? It's called add extension, and you go there. And let's add this pen, you see that? Okay, so now we can erase all and then do pen up. Because you know what pen up isn't right. You have to put the pen up, and then pen down means you draw. So exactly, now let's put the go to block and then point in direction 90. And then we put the pen down. So let's go ahead and go to the pen category and do pen down. Now we're going to be making two variables. Let's make step, and we're going to make angle. And we're going to hide those variables because we don't really want to see that, because we want to have a bright screen. So as you can see, there's how it looks like. It's in the middle and it's ready to draw. Okay, so this is this forever thing. That means it won't end it. Like it will just like how I may talked about it in the other in some of my other videos about how the forever loop, if you add a forever loop, it'll do things forever if you add it inside. So add something inside. So let's go ahead and put our variables in below the pen down block. So let's set step to 10, the variable step to 10. And then we're going to set angle to pick random 1, 2, 3, 60. Because you know where the pick random thing is? It's like in the operators category, and it's easy to fit in these circle things. So let's go ahead and do that. Put that there and put it below the step. Now we're going to put a something like called if on edge, something like that. Okay, so we're going to do repeat until you see this thing here over here. Put that there. Now we're gonna go to the motion category and drag out a if on edge. And no, we're gonna go to the sensing category and drag out a touching mouse pointer and change mouse pointer to edge. Now we're gonna move steps and turn this degrees to the right. And then we're going to go to wearables and put steps and angle degrees. Turn angle degrees. There you go. Then change step by 2. And then wait a few seconds, like 0.1. And then we are going to change the pen color by 10, change that to 40. And let's see how our designs are. So, ooh, that looks so cool. Like it's making like a star thing, like a decoration. You can it can keep making these decorations. It doesn't have to be just one, like it can make all the things like one by one. See, until it's done, it'll keep doing it, and then it'll make another design when it's done. See that? Now it's making a little curvy thing, and now it's making a star. And kind of making a star that you see that swirl in the middle? That looks kind of cool, right? Okay, so yeah, that's how you can make your design, so you can name it and do your stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the simple scratch tutorial, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys, scratch on.